Hey everyone, today I'm going to be building a simple fire pit out of a bunch of stones that we got from Home Depot. Stick around and I'll show you just how easy it is to build your own. So these are all the bricks that I got. There are approximately 36. We're doing 3 rings of 12 of these each, so 3 layers to the rings. If you'd like to make it higher, you can of course buy some more, 12 more to make each layer. So this is going to be super simple. Like I said, I'm about to take this to the yard and set it up. Here we go. We got a pretty level area here. So I put one down to kind of guess how it would sit and what it would look like. But I'm going to put on time lapse and put down the other ones. Here we have it. 3 layers. I decided I wanted to leave them the same instead of alternating them. One thing to note is just making sure that they fit in properly is the key to getting them to stack nicely. So these are all pretty tight against each other. But here we have it. Nice little fire pit, and I can't wait to use it.